Come make chicken and pork caldereta with me. So I started with some garlic and onion, just saute. And then I'm gonna add pork because that's a little longer to cook. And then fish sauce, just for taste. And then I added some pepper. And then just cover that. Let it simmer. Just let it simmer. And then you can add the chicken when the pork is halfway cooked. And next we're gonna add the potatoes because that takes a little longer to cook. After that we're gonna use the coconut milk. And then tomato paste. This is optional, but I use chicken bouillon. And then oyster sauce for flavor. And then lastly the bell pepper. Simmer again for another 5-10 minutes. And then there you go.